Hello, welcome to Employee Spotlight. I'm David Williams, Vice President of the Computer Workshop. Today I'm joined with Brian Ireson, Applications Trainer. How you doing,
Good.
Brian?
Very well, David. Yourself?
I'm doing all right.
All right.
So, Brian, how long have you been an employee at the Computer Workshop?
I have been working here for 16 years.
Holy smokes, 16 years?
Yep.
You've stuck out that long.
That I have.
Oh, man. And you're, so 16 years, that's a long time. Tell me a little bit about what you've, what areas you've worked in, what you've done with the Computer Workshop in that time.
Okay, well, originally I was hired on as the graphics instructor, but I have developed into e-learning and all of the Microsoft Office applications, a little bit of soft skills, but mainly, as you said, an application trainer. That seems to be my foremost role, but I also do help out with marketing, graphic design work, web publications very rarely, but I do from time to time help with that.
Awesome. So much more than just an apps trainer. Very, very talented and helping out with many different facets of the organization. So what would you say, thinking about the Computer Workshop and your role and what you've been able to bring to the company, what makes you a proud kind of team member to stick it out for 16 years?
Well, I guess it would have to be the satisfaction I get from knowing that what we do here really helps people in their day-to-day lives. Being able to watch somebody in class have that light bulb come on, understand the concepts, and be able to consider how it's going to be applied in their lives and how much easier their lives are going to be because of what we've shown them. It's incredibly rewarding. That's the only thing I can really say about it, I guess.
Yeah, fantastic. I think with being in the training in the classroom and in front of the client, that is a very rewarding aspect of what we do, and seeing the clients take those tools that you've given them and go back and apply them and then share that with you after the fact. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, actually, I just had one person who came in for an Excel 2 class, and they had done an online class with us in the spring for Excel 1, and she was saying how much she got out of that class and how much it has helped her just navigate and get her work done, and it's a new position for her and she's feeling so much more comfortable.
That's awesome.
So it was pretty good feeling the other day.
Yeah. So in all those classes you've delivered, which are probably in the hundreds or maybe thousands over the years, any like embarrassing moments kind of come to mind or stick out for you?
Oh yeah, of course. There's going to be
that
many.
You can share with the audience.
But I guess the one that is going to stick most in my mind is one that occurred in the middle of winter when it was really dark, when I was getting ready for work in the morning and trying to be considerate and dressing in the dark. I reached in the closet and I grabbed two shoes from two different pairs.
Not a matching pair. Oh no.
Yeah, so one brown, one black, and got a little ribbing from the students. They had a lot of fun with it. And actually, when I told everybody at work, they had a lot of fun with it too.
I bet 2 shoes.
Yep, 2 shoes. That kind of stuck for a little while.
Yeah. That's funny. So when you're not in the classroom, when you're not, when you step outside the TC Workshop doors in the classroom, any interests, any hobbies you do in your spare time?
Coming from a background in fine arts, I really love working with my hands. Sculptural medium is what I was focused in, and now I pretty much just work with wood a lot. So I do a lot of woodworking, I do a lot of gardening, and I will not have the same problem with my shoes because after that I built an entire organizational system for my closet. So 1 pair of shoes, 1 pouch or 1 pocket.
Very nice, very nice. My wife would like one of those too.
Yeah.
A
few people ask.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, we're inside of, or hopefully coming to the end of the pandemic that struck, which kind of flipped our industry upside down, and everything went from that classroom instructor and interactive environment to now we're online. Nobody's connected. We're all in our little silos taking classes. What things or what is anything you missed when we've shifted to that type of learning?
Well, I would say that the interactive nature of the classroom environment was really difficult to not have anymore, not to see students' eyes when you're explaining concepts. But I do have to say that even though we have been in our little silos, the modality of teaching has changed to that online Teams meeting environment, but the way that we deliver, the content we deliver is still the same. I've had a lot of students tell me that they have appreciated the fact that the way that we are presenting the information is so akin to the in-classroom experience that they feel very comfortable with it. So I have to say I was quite happy to hear that and get such positive feedback to such a major shift in all of our lives.
Yeah,
You
it's
know?
taken a while, but I think we've all finally figured out where the mute button is, and we, I think, every once in a while somebody misses it, but oh man. So last thing here, and then I'll let you get back to the classroom. But what do you have any type of motto or mantra that Brian Ireson kind of lives life by?
Well, as a young man, I, like so many others, was greatly influenced by Bob Ross. And I take his idea, his philosophy of teaching, which is it's okay to make mistakes, you've got to just try it. I take that with me into every class, and I mention that. And 90% of the time, I'll get somebody in the class that will snicker in agreement. They will be like, I'm going to make happy trees today. And that just sets the tone that we're going to have fun, but we're going to learn. We're going to try things. And as much as possible, I try to get to the point. Not a lot of circles. Just say what needs to be said, discuss the concepts, present the information in as clean and concise a manner, and also have fun.
Yeah, don't be afraid to make the mistakes.
Yeah.
Right? Click the button.
Yeah.
See what happens.
Nothing clicked, nothing gained.
Right. Well, speaking of which, please go out to our Facebook page, LinkedIn, the YouTube channel, like us, share us, follow us. Click all those buttons, right? See what they do. And of course, check out the Learn for Free Friday videos that are on our YouTube channel. Lots of free content there. Brian and the rest of the instructing team have developed some fantastic short videos to show you the quick and dirty tips and tricks, things you may not have ever known about Excel that you've always wanted to know. So check those out and come back and see us again. Thanks.
Until then, take care.